Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I am amazed. Yeah, I guess that's a term that I would want to use for this situation. In the number of comments I have recently got on my shows. And I'm talking about new shows and old shows, in between shows. I think it's related to the fact that a lot of people are shut in, and so they're on YouTube watching videos, and they happen to run across mine and watch my videos and make a comment. That's what's really surprising, the number of people that are now making comments. And I really, really like to see comments. Questions, corrections, I like comments. So comments are really up this past couple of weeks, and I appreciate everybody that's leaving comments. Another thing I want to tell you about, we plan, and I say we, Rob on the 741 channel, and myself plan on tomorrow morning about 8:30, that's Saturday, about 8:30 Eastern Daylight Time, to do a chat. And I've got a couple of topics we can talk about, or we can talk about anything you want to, just to give you a chance to communicate. So we're going to try that, and hopefully it'll work. So put it down your calendars to do that, and we will see you tomorrow morning about 8:30, maybe a little earlier. It really depends on how long it takes us to get it working. So have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.